Introducing Homeroom, our standard multi-user cell signal booster from weBoost. With Homeroom, there's a more affordable yet effective way to stop the dropped calls, missed texts, slow data speeds, and other connectivity issues with any phone across all carriers. Great for improving cell reception in designated areas, Homeroom offers an ideal solution for small homes or apartments with 1,500 square feet in total coverage area. It features a reliable desktop antenna designed for quick, convenient placement on practically any flat surface. While within its broadcast range, everyone will experience increased performance from their phones, tablets, or other cell devices due to the enhanced signal, regardless of the carrier they use. With its flat window cable, access to the Homeroom's flat panel outside antenna is easy and doesn't require drilling holes through interior walls. Using the mounting hardware, the outside antenna gives you different installation options to choose from, along an exterior wall, on a pole, or, for a good time-saving option, on the rooftop vent pipe found on most homes. Start enjoying better voice quality, uninterrupted texts, faster data speeds, better streaming, and fewer dropped calls in the room that needs it most, all with Homeroom by weBoost.